Imagine unleashing the power within you, the power that can transform your life, give you unstoppable confidence, and make you the strongest version of yourself. But to get there, you must conquer one of the most toxic habits that's silently destroying you from within: fapping. Today, I'm challenging you to join me on a journey that will change your life forever. This is the Nofap challenge, and it's time to take control. Let me be blunt. Fapping isn't just a bad habit. It's a destructive force that's killing your potential. Here's how it's sabotaging you. 1. It drains your energy and motivation, leaving you feeling lethargic and unproductive. You could be out there achieving your dreams, but instead, you're stuck in a cycle that leaves you weaker and weaker. 2. It messes with your brain, flooding it with dopamine and creating an addictive loop that makes you crave more. Never satisfied, always wanting more. This wrecks your focus, your discipline, and your ability to achieve greatness. 3. It kills your confidence. The more you indulge, the more you reinforce feelings of shame, guilt, and anxiety. You know deep down this isn't what you want. You want to be strong, confident, and powerful, but fapping is holding you back. For it impacts your physical health. It weakens your body, drains your vitality, and affects your testosterone levels that you need to become a powerful, assertive, and driven human being. But here's the worst part. Every time you give in to this habit, you're letting go of your potential, your dreams, and the man or woman you could become. So, I'm throwing down the gauntlet. I'm challenging you to go 30 days without fapping. For 30 days, I want you to break the chains and take back control of your mind and body. And let me make this clear, this won't be easy. This challenge is designed to push you to your limits, to test your discipline, and to awaken the powerful warrior inside you. But if you commit to this, I guarantee that you'll come out stronger, more focused, and more driven than ever before. 1. Avoid all triggers. For the next 30 days, eliminate everything that could trigger the urge. No adult content, no suggestive media, no fantasies. Get rid of it all. Block those websites, unfollow those accounts, and keep your mind clean. If you can't commit to this step, ask yourself, are you really ready to change? 2. Replace the urge with action. Every time you feel the urge to fap, I want you to drop down and do 20 push-ups, go for a run, or do something that moves your body and releases that energy in a positive way. You're going to rewire your brain to associate the urge with strength, not weakness. 3. Journal your journey. Every day, I want you to write down how you feel, what you're experiencing, and how you're becoming stronger. Track your progress and see how your mind and body start transforming. This will help you stay accountable. Stay accountable with a friend or community. Find a buddy to do this challenge with or join an online community where others are taking the same journey. Accountability is key. Don't go it alone. 5. Visualize your future self. Spend 5 minutes every morning visualizing the person you're becoming. The person who is strong, focused, and unstoppable. This is your destiny. Make it a reality. If you're ready to step up and accept this challenge, I want you to leave a comment right now saying, I'm in. Let's build a community of warriors who are committed to becoming their best selves. And if you want more powerful content that helps you become the strongest version of yourself, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's grow together. Let's get stronger together. And let's conquer our demons together. Are you ready to transform your life? Then let's start now.